Inside this package, there is a power bank of capacity 10,000 mAh. In this video, I am going to give you an overview of this power bank and tell you about its build quality and features and how it works. So let's check it out. I got this power bank for just 800 rupees, which is 12 to 13 US dollars. So it's a great deal. If you are interested in buying this power bank, the link will be down in the video descriptions. At any point during the video, if you like it, do press the like button. It means a lot. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Hit the bell icon and stay updated. It's a Mi branded power bank from Xiaomi and I ordered this power bank from mi.com. On the package, it says made in India and it's a 10,000 mAh Mi power bank 2i and that is the model name 2i. Let's check out the other specifications. You can see all the specifications are listed here and the MRP mentioned is 1200 rupees, but it sells for a lot cheaper as I have already said. And at the back side of the package it says that it can charge a Mi A1 for 2.2 times and an iPhone 7 for 3.5 times, an iPad mini 4 for 1.3 times. It has an aluminium alloy body, so the build quality should be good. The battery used inside this power bank is a lithium polymer battery and it also supports two-way quick charge. One good thing is that it can take fast charge for up to 9 volt and 2 amps. That means you can charge it with a fast charger. Again, it can also be charged with a 5 volt and 2 amps charger. And it can output up to 15 watts of power as mentioned at the back side of the package. So your phones should also be charging quite fast with this power bank. So let's cut the seal open and get the power bank out of the box. And there are some other contents inside the box as well. This is the quick start guide or user manual with some security stickers to verify your warranty. So this is the main package and the box inside the main box. This contains the power bank and in this small compartment there is a white USB cable. Let me see whether I can get it out. So this is the flat style USB cable you will get with your power bank. This is of course a micro USB cable and there is nothing more inside. This is the main thing, the power bank. So let's get it out of the plastic wrapping. It's sleek, it's in grey color. It's a little bit taller to my liking. It's not bulky. The in-hand feeling is really very good, I have to say that. There are some specifications again at the bottom and at the back side there are some certification details. Nothing at all on the sides. And at the front side the Mi logo is clear and visible. Let's peel this sticker off. And these are the two USB ports through which you will charge your devices, and this is the micro USB port through which you will charge this power bank, and this is the button and you can press this button to see how much charge is left on this power bank, and some other functionalities are there which we will discuss later. Let's take one USB cable and plug it in the power bank. And the other end goes into my phone. It starts charging instantly. Let's check what happens when I press the button on the power bank. Nothing happens. The power bank just reboots and shows how much charge is left through the LED indicators. Let's take another cable which came included with the power bank and plug it in another phone of mine, which is actually a dumb phone from Nokia. And both of the devices start charging. And there is another functionality of this button. If you double tap the button, the power bank will go into low power charging mode through which you can charge your low powered devices like Bluetooth headsets and fitness trackers, smartwatches, etc. And in this mode, the LED lights will blink one by one, and if you press the button again, the power bank will go back to the normal mode.
So guys, I must say that this thing is a great value for money, isn't it? In case you are interested in buying it, the link will be down there in the description. Please check it out. Do hit the like button if you liked the video. Every single like inspires me to make more videos like this. I really thank you for your support. And don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down there, or you can also click the channel icon here, then click the subscribe button. If you have any question or you want to say anything, do comment down below. Do share the video, maybe someone will find it useful. Thank you guys. Bye and see you all again.